face serums are something that can help you out with your targeted areas and main concerns that you have with your skin type. So, if you are someone with a dry, tight skin and flaky skin, then face serums are something that you should definitely try to include in your skincare routine. Hi guys, I am Chitranshi and welcome to my channel. If you like skincare related videos, make sure you subscribe. And now let's quickly dive into the video. Welcome to Winter Skincare Series for Dry Skin Part 2. We are going to talk about best face serum for dry skin in winter season. I am going to give a few recommendations of face serums that I like. They will be sequenced in a way starting from lowest price to highest price. They are not ordered in the sequence of liking. They are just ordered on the basis of price. To pick the best face serum for dry skin type, make sure that you look out for hydrating agents in your face serum, that is hyaluronic acid, glycerin, niacinamide and panthenol. So look out for these ingredients. Also, if you have not seen the part 1 of Winter Skincare for Dry Skin series, make sure you watch it. It's linked right here. It is about the best face wash for dry skin type. So now let's just start with the serums. So I have two affordable options here and you can go for either of these. One is from brand NY Bay. It is NY Bay Skin Fident Serum with hyaluronic acid. So you can go for the serum. It is super affordable. The price is 158 rupees for 10 ml of quantity. I feel it's decent enough. If you are somebody who is not confident about serums, so NY Bay serum with hyaluronic acid is going to help you out with the dry skin, because the hyaluronic acid has the tendency to absorb moisture from surroundings and lock it in your skin. So I think that is something which can help you out. The second one is from brand Biotique. Biotique Biodandelion Visibly Ageless Serum. This is again a very affordable option. The price is rupees 136 for 40 ml of quantity. This is something like an emulsion. It's more of an emulsion, less of a serum. Emulsion is something between the consistency of lotion to a serum. But then again, it gets absorbed really easily in your skin. I have used it. Just a disclaimer here, I have not used every serum because that's humanly impossible, right? So I have used a few options and then I have listed a few matching options with those serum which have really good market reputations. So you can go for this Biotique serum as well. I have used it. I found it really hydrating. And since it's an affordable option, this was my beginner serum when I switched to serums. And it actually combats the dryness of your skin and it is typically great for winter season. This serum is rich in vitamin E and is blended with nutmeg oil. Hence, the presence of oil in the serum makes it really hydrating and it will calm your extreme dry skin. Then we have a few mid-range options. They will be something starting from 400 to 600. Anything above that, I'm going to put it in a high range column. First serum of mid-range category is from brand M Caffeine. I have made a detailed review on M Caffeine Naked Detox Green Tea Face Serum. That is linked right here, but then talking about it in brief. This serum is rich in hyaluronic acid, green tea and vitamin C. So all these ingredients make it a very nice and moisturizing agent. Watch that video if you want to know about this serum in detail. But then just giving you a highlight, this is a really hydrating serum. It does not give you immediate results, but then I feel by the end of usage of one bottle, you will actually start seeing the results. And be patient for at least 4 to 8 weeks once you include a product in your skincare regime. So M Caffeine's Naked Detox Green Tea Face Serum is first one in the affordable mid-range options. Sorry, not affordable, in the mid-range options. Let's move on to the next one. And the price of M Caffeine Naked Detox Green Tea Face Serum is 469 rupees for 40 ml quantity. So the next one in the mid-range is Mom's Co Natural Vitamin C Face Serum with Deep Hydration. Deep Hydration. So again, this is a great serum which I featured in my vitamin C serums. I have made a detailed video on the vitamin C serum and importance of those serum. That is also linked right here if you want to see. That serum is also included in this video because it's a nice mid-range serum from Mom's Co. It is very effective. This is again rich in hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, vitamin C, which are really good if you want that inner glow and that nice hydration on your face. So it is very good for dry skin in winter season. Also helps you out with pigmentation, fine lines, basically the anti-aging effect. This serum also has vitamin C, which will eventually help you out with the anti-aging effects also. This is like all-in-one kind of a thing. If you are looking for something in the mid-range, The price is 524 rupees for 30 ml of quantity. Moving on to our next option in the mid-range face serum for dry skin, that will be from brand Cocoon. And it is called Cocoon Hydrating Potent Vitamin C Night Serum Intense Skin Repair. It was a long name, that's why I had to read it. So this is again a very nice face serum for dry skin type, especially in the winter season. It will help you really calm down your irritated dry skin. The brand claims that this serum reduces dark spots because it has vitamin C. It also even tones your skin. The presence of vitamin C helps out with both of these things. And then talking about the hydration impact of it, it has shea butter, which is deeply hydrating. The price of this serum from Cocoon is 580 for 30 grams of quantity. One more thing to notice about this face serum is that it is non-comedogenic, so that means it will not block your pores. It is sulfate free and it has a natural active. Again, all in all, an amazing product to go for. Now we start the segment where I'm going to talk about high range face serum for dry skin type. So the first one in high range category of face serum is from brand Dot and Key. And this is Dot and Key Water Drench Hydrating Hyaluronic Acid Serum. This is something which is highly rich in hyaluronic acid. It also has vitamin C in it. So a combination of hyaluronic acid and vitamin C hydrates your skin eventually, and then at the same time it repairs your damaged skin too. This is a very hydrating serum and the price is rupees 780 for 30 ml of quantity. This one is concentrated with hyaluronic acid. Now I will just like to take a minute to talk about another version of Dot and Key face serum that is highly concentrated in vitamin C along with hyaluronic acid. So if you are someone who has extremely dry skin, focus on this product, try to buy this product. If you are somebody who is with, bearable dry skin and all of that, you can buy the second face serum from Dot and Key. This is rich in concentrated vitamin C and it is combined with hyaluronic acid. So if your concern is more of even toning your skin along with a little bit of dryness, go for the second serum. Price for that serum is rupees 860 for 30 ml of quantity. And the second option in the high range face serums for dry skin will be from brand It's Skin. It's a very nice brand. They have amazing products. I have used a few of them personally long back, but then this face serum is crazy. This is the aloe serum from brand It's Skin. The price is 770 for 40 ml of quantity. Again, this face serum is more like an emulsion and less like a serum. It has a very watery and runny texture, which is very good for hydrating your skin. It gets absorbed in your skin type, in dry skin type, very easily. It is rich in aloe vera, as name says. Aloe is again a very nice hydrating agent and it will again lock moisture in your skin. It will also calm down your skin and it will improve the elasticity of skin at the same time as soon as it hydrates the skin, because if a skin is not hydrated, it looks really dull and saggy. So the last option of face serum for dry skin for winter season in my list is Neutrogena Hydro Boost Multivitamin Face Serum. This face serum looks really fancy. It is one of the most expensive serums here. Price for this face serum is close to 4,000 for 30 ml of the product. It is very expensive when you compare it with the other brands, but then it is amazingly effective. This one is a water-based serum, so if you are somebody who doesn't like oil-based serum, I think this is the best bet for you. It is particularly rich in vitamin E, niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. So it's an amazing serum with a combination of all these beautiful ingredients which are very recommended, highly recommended for dry skin type. All these ingredients have very hydrating effect on the dry, itchy and irritated skin. So if you are somebody with extremely dry skin, I recommend that you go for Neutrogena Hydro Boost Face Serum. This is a non-comedogenic serum again and it is extremely hydrating. I cannot emphasize enough, but it is super hydrating. So yeah, this closes our list for best face serum for dry skin for winters. This is the end of Part 2 Winter Skincare series for dry skin. If you have not watched Part 1, it will be linked right here, so make sure you watch it. So yeah, I think on this very note, I am going to say bye to you guys. But then before I say bye, I'm going to talk about my Instagram handle. This is my Instagram handle. I don't know this or this somewhere. I'm going to write it down. So chitranshi.me is my Instagram handle. Make sure you follow me there because I keep posting very frequent content there. And also I reply to each and every single message that you people send. If you have any specific query, make sure you send me a message on Instagram, or you can comment down below. If you are somebody who is new to this channel, make sure you subscribe, because that is super important. I keep bringing interesting content very frequently. Yeah. So make sure you subscribe. And this is all we have for today. I'm going to see you again really soon with another video. Till then, bye.